You push a release to production, something breaks, and now you're scrambling to roll back while users hit errors. That painful moment is exactly what blue-green deployment is designed to prevent. Let's dig in. So, what exactly is blue-green deployment?
You maintain two production environments, kept as identical as possible. Call them blue and green. A router sits in front and points all traffic to one of them. The core problem it solves is that risky cutover moment, when you move software from final testing into live production with no fast way back.
Walk me through how the switch actually works.
Blue is live. You deploy your new release into green and run your final tests there. Once green checks out, you flip the router. All incoming requests now go to green and blue goes idle. If anything breaks, you flip the router straight back to blue. That's your rollback instant. Then blue becomes your staging area for the next release, and the two environments keep cycling.
What situations make this approach worth the effort?
It shines when you want a fully automated deployment process and need rapid rollback as a guarantee. There's a bonus. The same mechanism gives you a hot standby, so you're actually testing your disaster recovery procedure on every single release, not just when something goes wrong.
Sounds clean. What's the catch?
Databases are the main headache. If your new version needs a schema change, you can't just deploy it. The old app still needs to read that database during rollback. The fix is to separate schema changes from application upgrades. First, apply a database refactoring that supports both versions. Verify it so you have a clean rollback point. Then deploy the new app. There's also the question of transactions missed during cutover, which you can reduce by briefly putting the app in read-only mode beforehand.
Do you need dedicated hardware for each environment? That sounds expensive.
Not at all. That's a common misconception. The environments can be separate hardware, virtual machines on the same hardware, or even a single operating system partitioned into zones with separate IP addresses. The switch doesn't have to happen at the router either. One project did it simply by bouncing the web server. The fundamental idea is two easily switchable environments. The details are flexible.
Here's your checklist. 1. Provision 2 identical production environments. 2. Set up a router to switch all traffic between them. 3. Deploy and verify in the idle environment before switching. 4. Separate database schema changes from application upgrades. 5. Cycle the roles continuously, live, rollback standby, then staging. The big takeaway: blue-green deployment turns a scary cutover into a simple router flip with an instant undo button. The source article is linked below, recorded July 2026. If this was useful, subscribe. We cover one concept like this every week.